Hi guys, it's time to clean up the farm.
All right. All right. Oh yeah.
Oh my God!
What happened? Where's my tractor? Mr. Policeman, my tractor was stolen.
All right, I'll be right there.
All right.
Go, go, go!
Oh my God!
We need you on the garbage truck.
Thank you, garbage truck! I'm sorry, guys. I won't do it again.
We need a fire truck. I need a crane.
Thank you, policeman!
My tractor broke down. I need to take it to a repairman.
All right, let's get the tractor on the trailer. A little more, and you'll make it. Excavator, help us get up there.
All right. Go, go, go!
Thank you, Excavator. Isn't this strange? What do you think?
Yeah, why are these signs here?
Hey, you stop right now!
I heard shouting. Is something wrong?
Yeah, somebody stole our tractor. Help us get it back.
Don't worry. We'll catch the bully and punish him properly. You're under arrest for stealing a tractor.
I'm sorry. I promise I won't do it again.
You will be punished.
Let me help you one more time. Let's try this. Yes, it worked.
Thank you for your help.
Yes, our thanks to you. And we have to go.
All right.
Here we go!
Spider, get over here!
I'll be there soon.
Get the kids!
Oh, yeah.
No, no. Ow!
Ow!
Ow! Ow!
Ah!
No! Ow! Ow!
Good job, buddy. Keep in touch.
All right. Oh no!
Put them on the rocks so they can get away.
All right.
No, please, no. Oh, no, please, no.
Oh no!
Please help. Save us.
Help me!
Where are the little cars?
Oh no, I've lost them. We must contact a police officer immediately.
What happened to the little cars?
I was at a stoplight for a long time. Maybe somebody stole them. Okay, let's review the security cameras.
Oh my god.
Unbelievable.
We found the kids. Let's go save them.
Hey, monster truck! You're under arrest! But first, hand over the little card.
Okay, police officer. I'm so sorry.
Hey, Monster Track, you'll get your punishment. Bring him after me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll get someone to help.
Hey, Croco, don't touch my trailer.
Hello, construction vehicles. Ready to lend a hand? Let's get moving.
Come on, guys. We're not going to leave our friends behind, are we?
Here we go!